Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you're pretty well, and thank you so much for following your own lessons on zoology video sequences. As similar to previous videos, let's talk about the remaining part of zoology video sequences. It means about another important phylum of the animal kingdom. So we will start this video with a question, that what makes an echinoderm an echinoderm? Before going to answer this question, let's have a look at these structures that you can see in this picture. Mainly these are sharing a common feature with each other. So in order to understand the common shared feature, we will answer this question. What makes an echinoderm? We can say that they are all marins that has a spiny skin. The word echinoderms means spiny skin. Starfish, sea cucumbers, bractless stars, and sea urchins are example animals of this phylum. And let's classify this phylum. Mainly, in order to understand the phylum Echinodermata, you should classify the entire phylum into 5 classes. First, Craniodea, second, Asteroidea, third, Ophiuroidea, the fourth, Echinodea, then the final one is Holotroidea. These are the example animals that you can see. Let's talk about their morphological feature in more details. In this slide, we're going to talk about the feeder stars and sea lilies. Mainly, they are the oldest class of living echinoderms. So they stay in the same location for a long period, but they are motile echinoderms. As you are seeing in this video, this animal is surrounded with feeders. They can fly, not in the sky, but in the ocean. They use their feeders in order to swim in the water. So sea lilies are sessile and generally attached to the ocean floor. They are suspension feeders. Another important class of this phylum is called Asteroidea. Mainly according to the morphological feature, you can define that the structures of these creatures are made from a disc and a central disc and several arms. This is the central disc and these are the arms. Their arms could be varied from 5 up to 20. Between each arm, there are small feet. These 2 feet are used to paralyze the prey, and it is used for sucking the prey and for locomotion. The gases exchange happens through the skin or gills. As they are aquatic animals, they use the gills in order to exchange the gases. Mainly, they are predators and scavengers. So one of the most important systems that you can find within these structures are their water-vascular system. This is the water-vascular system, which is composed of small podiums or tube feet, which helps the animal in order to modify different functions or livelihood functions that make the animals in order to change their place to capture the prey or exchange different materials inside the body. So they feed on slow-moving or sessile animals. Another important class of this phylum is called the Pheroidium, that they are basket stars. They are called stars. Their morphological feature is quite different. As you are seeing, they possess large arms. So these longer arms are lacking the suckers, but they use their small and large arms in order to capture the prey. Their 2 feet are used to collect food, and they are used as a sensitive organ or for sensory receptions. Another important class of this big phylum is called Echinoderm. Echinoderms are urchins or sea urchins and sand dollars. This is sand dollar and this is sea urchin. The sea urchin is covered with a spiny or solid shell or spines. The sand dollar has smaller spines. They are adapted to burrow sand easily with their flattened bodies. They feed small organic particles. Another important class is called Halotheriida. These are their external features and morphological features. As you're seeing this picture, you can see that their body is elongated and flexible. The mouth is surrounded with tentacles. They also lack endoskeleton, and instead they possess microscopic plates which do the same function for the animal. Their circular system is more developed than in other classes of Echinoderm does, so mainly they live on the bottom of the ocean. And on that habitat they play an important ecological niche that filters the fetus of the another materials and make a suitable condition for another organisms to live. Thank you so much, dear students. See you on part 4, Arthropoods. See you soon.